unconditional love, devoted companionship, constant entertainment. Most of us dog lovers know that life is better with a dog. But is that knowledge based on a feeling, or is there something else at work? There is science. Dogs make us feel less alone. Dogs can be there for you even when people can't. They offer unconditional love, emotional support, and constant cuddles that help stave off social isolation. Dogs are good for your heart. Owning a dog can help you live longer. A comprehensive review of studies published between 1950 and 2019 found that dog owners had a lower risk of death. Dogs help you stop stressing out. Your canine companion can offer comfort and ease your worries. Multiple studies show that dogs and therapy dogs help alleviate stress and anxiety. Dogs make you more attractive, even virtually. If you're looking for a date, it might be time to get a dog. A dog's presence may make people appear more likable and attractive. Dogs make us more social. Researchers have found that about 40% of dog owners had an easier time making friends. Dogs are the perfect way to get to know strangers and form new friendships.